What About Us is a single released by English-Irish girl group The Saturdays, their first international single. It is the lead single from their first American-only release EP, Chasing the Saturdays, 2013. It also acts as the second single from their fourth studio album Living for the Weekend, 2013. The single was first released in the United States and Canada on 18 December 2012 via digital download, before being released in the United Kingdom on 16 March 2013 via CD single and digital download. The single was written by Camille Purcell, Ollie Jacobs, Philip Jacobs. There are two different versions of the track which have been recorded and released. A solo version, which was released exclusively in the US and Canada, and a version featuring Jamaican rapper Sean Paul, which was released internationally. Music critics gave the song positive feedback, but questioned the heavily auto-tuned chorus and the move away from the group's traditional sound. A music video was released for the song was published and released via the Saturdays Vevo account on the 11th of January 2013. The video was filmed in Los Angeles, where the band were filming their U.S. reality series, Chasing the Saturdays, which is broadcast through an acoustic version of Somebody Else's Life, which can be heard on the opening titles of the show, was released as a B-side. The Saturdays went on to a promotional tour in order to get the song out there in the United States, and appeared on a number of different chat shows including The Tonight Show with Jay Leno, The Jeff Probst Show, Fashion Police, Chelsea Lately and The Today Show in New York City. They later went on to a promotional tour in the UK, visiting radio stations around the country. What About Us gained commercial success. Debuted at number 1 on the UK singles chart to become the Saturdays' 12th UK top 10 single, and first ever number 1 in Ireland. The song debuted at number 6 on the Irish singles chart, gaining the group their 5th top 10 single there, with first week sales of 114,000 copies and 40,000 copies more sold than their closest competitor to number 1. What About Us was the fastest-selling single of 2013 in the UK until it was overtaken by Naughty Boys' La 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 2 months later. In December 2013, it was announced as the 11th fastest-selling single of the year overall. As of August 2014, the song has sold over 400,000 copies in the UK. On the 23rd of December 2013, Molly King posted a photo on Instagram of her holding a 500,000 sales plaque from their record label, with the message that What About Us had sold over 500,000 copies in UK and USA, with 120,000 copies in the US alone even without charting on the Billboard Hot 100. Background. In 2012, it was announced that the Saturdays had received an offer to star in their own reality television program, Chasing the Saturdays, broadcast through E! Network. A few weeks on from the announcement that the band had gained their reality show, they revealed that they had also signed a joint record deal with Island Def Jam Records and Mercury Records. The joint deal would let the band release future material in North America. While filming their show, the band began visiting the recording studio, where they began work with Rodney Darkchild Jerkins, who has previously worked with Britney Spears, Michael Jackson, Janet Jackson, Beyoncé, Mariah Carey and Jennifer Lopez. Frankie Sanford said that going to America was always the plan, but that they wanted to prove themselves in the UK first. They decided that 2012 was the time to try due to the constant success they had enjoyed in their native. The Saturdays felt comfortable with their US labels, and thanked them for not only giving them a chance in North America, but for making them feel at ease and welcome, which took a lot of weight off our shoulders. The band said they have always respected the labels due to the massive success they've had with artists. The band began to make their presence in America known after they performed at the opening ceremony of MTV Video Music Awards and at the 70th Golden Globe Awards. They said that they are hoping to enjoy the same success as fellow British artists One Direction, Adele, Cher Lloyd, The Wanted and Emily Sandé. It was revealed by Perez Hilton that the band had been working with Demi Lovato in the recording studio. Composition What About Us was written and produced by Ollie Jacobs and acts as the Saturday's first single to be released in North America, where it could appear on the Billboard Hot 100 and Canadian Hot 100. In America, its release coincided with their TV show, Chasing the Saturdays. The track is the band's 14th single to be released in the United Kingdom and Ireland, and the track is a dance-pop song. Before the release of the song, Molly King said that the band were excited to share the track as they had the song for months. She said, "I can't wait for everyone to hear it and to get to perform it. I'm just so excited about this one. I think it's going down really well." The band said they didn't want to change their type of music just for the American public and would stick to their roots and the genre they enjoyed to perform. King spoke, "We've always made a point that we don't want to change to go to America. We wanted to go over as we are, and if they like us, they like us, and if they don't, they don't." King said that the track is reggae pop music, a little different from what band usually record, but the track is still really dancey and upbeat, as well a good song to dance to on either stage or at a club. When Una Healy was asked what the song was about, she said that she did not know what the song was exactly about. "To be honest, I was trying to figure out the other day what exactly it's about. I could bullshit away telling you, but I really don't know. But I think it's all about someone driving you crazy." She said she thinks that "What About You's" part means me and you getting together. She did point out that she did know that the song was about making you happy, and that the track was good for the summer and will get you on the dance floor. The band teased, saying that "What About Us" is a pop track, and that is a good indication of what to expect from the album, and that they've paired up with Diane Warren to record a few ballads and not just pop tracks. "What About Us" is the only collaboration on the album release. "What About Us" was confirmed as the Saturday's first single to be released in North America, and would be released on the 18th of December 2012 to coincide with their American reality show, Chasing the Saturdays. It was also revealed that the track would be released as the lead single from the band's North America released-only extended play, Chasing the Saturdays, which was named after the show. Some critics said that releasing "What About Us" from an EP for the US market was a wise decision. One critic said, "For throwing out a traditional release on the back of a show that isn't yet a hit would ultimately be setting them up for failure." What's more, the EP allows their storyline for the next season of the show, should there be one, to revolve around recording an album. In the United Kingdom, it was revealed that "What About Us" would be the follow-up single from 30 Days in the UK and Ireland, and therefore would not be the lead single from the band's fourth studio album. The band announced that before the release of the album, there would be another single released from the album. The follow-up single was revealed to be titled "Gentleman," just like all the band's previous singles. The record was accepted by all A-listed radio stations. The UK and Ireland version of the track features a guest rap from Sean Paul, whereas the North American version does not feature vocals from Sean Paul and only vocals from the band. The original version of the track lasts 3 minutes and 24 seconds, whereas the version which features Sean Paul lasts 3 minutes and 40 seconds. The single was released with B-side, an acoustic version of a brand new track, Somebody Else's Life. which is the opening theme to Chasing the Saturdays. What About Us was released as a digital download EP, and this featured the single version, which features Sean Paul, the solo version, and the B-side track. Upon the release in North America, there was a digital remixes EP which featured remixes of What About Us by a number of DJs, including Seamus Haji, Guy Shyman, The Buzz Junkies and Second Adventure, and this was also made available to purchase on the 18th of December 2012. While in the UK, the CD single was made available to be from stores from the 18th of March 2013. On the CD, single featured What About Us. The B-side, Somebody Else's Life. The band decided to release What About Us differently between the United Kingdom and the United States. What About Us was released onto the charts without any airplay and without a music video accompanying the release, something the band experienced in the UK with Notorious. Whereas in the UK, What About Us was released with airplay and the music video being released before the release of the single. During this time, Frankie Sanford became ambassadors for mental health after Sanford battled depression. The band said they choose What About Us to be the lead single in the US and follow-up single from 30 Days because they all loved it once they demoed it and it gave them a really good feeling. They also said it is a fresh start for a new album, with a reggae vibe, but still a pop record. The Saturdays said that Sean Paul was perfect for the UK version of the song. They said that he was just so nice, and that he would be present during some of the promotional performances when the single was released. Critical reception. Robert Copsey of Digital Spy said that Rochelle Humes asks in a curious Jamaican-flecked timbre during the intro of What About Us. During the lyrics, "Oh, why are we waiting so long, I'm suffocating." And he went on to say that it is in reference to man-related drama, and also pointing out that there is plenty of that on their reality series, Chasing the Saturdays. Copsey later went on to tip the band for their first #1 single, as he said, "But we suspect it could also be a sly wink at their enduring quest for a #1 single." He said that track was radio-friendly due to the trace beats and demanding their contrary lover to give up the hard-to-get shtick sharpish. Although he didn't think that the song was original enough for the band, but is strangely addictive, and he would be happy to see the song at the top of the charts. 4Music described the song as a electro-pop affair with a bucket load of synths thrown in for good measure. It's quite good, but we wonder if they should reconsider this single choice if they truly want to launch an invasion on America's charts. Idolator wrote a mixed review criticizing the track for lacking the group's signature style. While the beat is pounding enough to nab the girls a chart hit, it doesn't feel true to the spirit of the Sats. Then again, maybe it isn't supposed to. Jessica Sager from Pop Crush also touched on the departure from their original sound. It's a pretty big departure from their usual sugary oeuvre, but not necessarily in a bad way. She went on to praise Sean Paul's feature. His presence on the track gives it an air of authenticity and fun, but pretty much only during his own verses and interjections. However, she criticized the mediocre attempt at dialect the groups sing in throughout the track. When the Saturdays try to emulate island tones, it sounds a little awkward, and they will start out like that right off the bat, but go in and out of the undistinguished dialect throughout the song. She also felt that the heavily auto-tuned chorus was not needed. The auto-tune seems extraneous, because the Saturdays can actually sing well without it. She ended the review by labeling the latest effort as generic and not the best the Saturdays have to offer, also rating it 2.5 stars out of 5. Commercial reception. What About Us debuted at number 44 on the U.S. Billboard Hot Dance Club Songs chart for the week dated 8 December 2012. This marks their first ever chart entry in the United States, and it has since peaked at number 27. The song debuted at number 79 on the Canadian Hot 100, becoming the highest Canadian debut for a new artist in 2013. The Saturdays admitted that they did not want to get their hopes up on debuting at number 1 on the UK singles charts due to being beaten to number 1 3 times before with Forever Is Over, Just Can't Get Enough, and Missing You, after being number 1 on the official chart update. During the latter two occasions, it was rapper Flo Rida who had pushed them back to numbers 2 and 3 respectively. It was revealed that the Saturdays had knocked Justin Timberlake's Mirrors off the number 1 spot on the UK singles chart. This became the band's first ever number 1 single in the United Kingdom. For every one copy that Timberlake's Mirrors sold, the Saturdays sold 2 more copies of What About Us. What About Us sold 114,000 copies in the first week of release, making it, at the time, the fastest-selling single of 2013. The track sold 40,000 copies more than Timberlake, who was pushed back to number 2 on the UK singles charts. The band said they were thrilled to be the UK's number 1 with What About Us. They went on to thanking their fans for supporting the single and supporting them for the past 5 years. What About Us debuted at number 6 on the Irish singles chart, marking the band's 5th top 10 single in that country. In the Oceanic region, What About Us made its debut at number 36 on the New Zealand singles chart. Music video. The music video for What About Us was filmed during the summer of 2012 in Los Angeles, while the Saturdays were filming their reality television series. The North American version of the video was released via the Saturdays' official Vivo account on YouTube on the 11th of January 2013. A variant of the video, featuring vocals and additional scenes of the women with Sean Paul, was later released on the 5th of February 2013. Live performances and promotion. The Saturdays appeared in a number of nightclubs throughout 2012 in the United States performing What About Us, along other hits. On the 14th of January 2013, the group made their first televised performance of the single on The Tonight Show with Jay Leno. It was their first performance done on American television. On the 16th of January, the girls performed What About Us on The Today Show in New York City. Along with the performances, they appeared on chat shows such as Chelsea Lately, Daybreak, Fashion Police, Lorraine, The Jeff Probst Show, Loose Women, Alan Carr, Chatty Man, Sunday Brunch and What's Cooking. To promote the single, track listings, US digital download, What About Us 3.24, CD single, UK version only. What About Us, feat. Sean Paul, 3.40. What About Us 3.24, Somebody Else's Life, acoustic, 3.18. US Digital Remixes EP. What About Us, Seamus Haji Radio Edit, 3.06. What About Us, Seamus Haji Club Mix, 6.35. What About Us, Seamus Haji Dub, 6.49. What About Us, Guy Shyman Radio Edit, 3.59. What About Us, Guy Shyman Club Mix, 7.35. What About Us, Guy Shyman Dub, 7.20. What About Us, The Buzz Junkies Radio Edit, 3.23. What About Us, The Buzz Junkies Club Mix, 4.32. What About Us, featuring Sean Paul, 4.32. What About Us, Second Adventure Radio Edit, 4.24. What About Us, Second Adventure Club Mix, 6.36. Europe and Oceania EP digital download. What About Us, feat. Sean Paul, 3.40. What About Us, Feat. Sean Paul. The Buzz Junkies radio edit. 3. 23. What About Us? Feat. Sean Paul. Seamus Haji radio edit. 3. 37. What About Us? Guy Shyman radio edit. 3. 58. What About Us? Extended mix. 3. 49. Only available through pre-order. UK Digital Remixes EP. What About Us? Guy Shyman Club Mix. 7. 35. What About Us? Second Adventure Club Mix. 6. 36. What About Us? Seamus Haji Club Mix. 6. 35. What About Us? The Buzz Junkies Club Mix. 4. 32. What About Us? Second Adventure Radio Edit. 4. 24. Credits and personnel. What About Us was recorded at Rollover Studios in London. Charts and certifications. Weekly charts. Release and radio history. See also. List of UK singles chart number ones of the 2010s. List of top 10 singles in 2011. Ireland. What About Us on YouTube. What About Us feat. Sean Paul on YouTube. What About Us? Guy Shyman radio edit on YouTube.